In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Hostinger AI Website Builder to create a website quickly, even if you have no coding experience at all. This is a great option if you want to build a personal site, a business landing page, a portfolio, or even a simple app idea using AI. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step, from logging in to publishing your finished site. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside, go to your dashboard. This is where you'll find all of your website tools and account options in one place. From the dashboard, look for the Horizons section, which is the AI tools area inside Hostinger. Click on Horizons and then select Get Started. This is where the AI website builder begins. Next, you'll see the option to create your website or app with AI. Here, Hostinger will ask you what you want to build, so take a moment to enter a clear prompt. The better your prompt is, the better your result will be. You can describe your business, your brand, your goal, the style you want, and the type of pages or features you need. For example, you might ask for a modern business website, a portfolio site, or a homepage for a local service. Once you've entered your prompt, click Generate. Hostinger's AI will now start building your site for you. This usually only takes a short time, so just wait while it creates the layout, sections, and initial design. After the AI finishes generating your site, you can begin editing it to make it your own. At the top of the editor, click Edit Content. This opens the editing tools so you can customize the text, layout, and design. Now you can go through each section of the page and update the content to match your brand. You can change headlines, rewrite paragraphs, swap images, adjust colors, and refine the overall look of the website. If you want to make your site more useful, you can also add new sections or features. That might include testimonials, contact forms, service blocks, pricing tables, or anything else your project needs. The goal here is to take the AI-generated draft and turn it into a polished website that fits your vision. After making your edits, be sure to save your changes so nothing gets lost. Once you're happy with the design and the content, it's time to publish. Click the Publish button inside Hostinger. Then choose whether you want to use a domain you already own or a subdomain provided by Hostinger. After you select your domain option, confirm the publish process and go live. And that's it. Your Hostinger AI website is now published and ready to share with the world. This process makes it incredibly fast to go from idea to finished website without needing to build everything manually. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.